Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Say happy Thanksgiving. So my sweets, I hope you are enjoying family, because that's all you need to do today. That is what Thanksgiving is all about, bringing family together and being thankful for each other. So to begin this cook with me, I'm going to cover up my stove top. Why? Because I want to have an easy cleanup when I'm done. I don't want to be slaving over this stove after slaving to cook the whole meal, okay? And then I begin with the turkey. The turkey's huge, so you just want to start cooking it immediately. That is the first thing that goes in the oven, or whichever way you choose to cook it. I'll be using a turkey roaster for this turkey today. You can do it in your oven or on your stovetop if you don't have an oven. All right, so I clean it thoroughly. When I say thoroughly, I mean I clean it well. Now, in my recent chicken stew video, I had some comments that people actually don't wash their meats and chicken and other stuff because it'll be contaminated. I don't know about that, because I've been washing my meats. I mean, if it is supposed to kill me, I'm still here. But to each his own. If you don't like to wash your meats, that's totally up to you. But I like to wash mine. All right. I then added some vinegar, and I'm literally giving this turkey a bath. Yes, male. Yes, so once I do that, I just use the paper towel to rub it. Sometimes they have yellowish stuff. All of that will come off, and then I'll rinse it off, pat it dry, and then I'll add my spices to it and begin the cooking process. Okay. Now, this video is just a motivational video in case you don't want to cook anything. I just decided to cook early, post it for you all to enjoy. Maybe by the time you finish watching it, you will be ready to cook something. Or after you're done with your Thanksgiving dinner, why not gather your family together and watch you some sweet ajili with your dessert? I'm just joking. Just go on ahead and play games and just have fun with your family, okay? So once I finish cleaning the turkey, I'm just going to clean the surfaces and the sink, the pot, everything before I move on to doing the next step. Now, I already have a video on how I made my spices, so you can check it out. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description box below. In fact, everything that I'll be cooking in this video, I'll leave a link to, so you can go and watch it. All right, because everything is already prepped for you. In case you were not able to make it for Thanksgiving, you can definitely make it for Christmas, okay? Yes, y'all. So enjoy this cook with me. If I have to say something, I'll come back and say it. But if not, I'll see you in the end of the video. And I'm using a turkey roaster for that is it a turkey roaster? It's just a roaster because you can roast other things in it. Yeah. Here I'm making my 1-pot fried rice, which I'll leave a link to as well. So do check it out. All right. Next will be our mashed potatoes. Yes, this creamy mashed potato recipe will blow your mind. I'm telling you, my kids absolutely love this. Okay, so mashed potatoes, check. Candied yams, check. Turkey, check. Rice, check. Veggies, not checked. All right, so we're just going to get the veggies done. Everybody's here. We're all going to gather around and enjoy dinner. And I hope you're going to stay for dinner and meet some of my family members, because until next year, you will not see some of these family members of yours, because you know Thanksgiving only comes about once a year. But I get to see them all the time, but it doesn't stop me from bringing us all together for a beautiful dinner. All right, so if you're feeling lazy, I hope this video motivated you to get up, go cook rice, yahoo mofo, you know, and enjoy with whoever is around you this time of year. If you are not in good terms with your family, give them that phone call. It'll make everything right. Okay, so yeah, I'll meet you all at the table.
Nah, bow. Then you're gonna.
How long you big girl and your next door?
I think you got ready to say they're gonna get the one back there. Oh, I think the whole thing.
Wait for what, Mommy? Thank you.
Amen.
I thought you talked about giving us a long prayer.
He said he doesn't know how to give long prayers, so
rather,
he wasn't going to give a prayer.
So, Mommy, you know, I'm going
Mr. T, say hi to the sweet team.
Mouth water.
You said, T, your face did not say hi.
Mr.
Just
T,
give them
ham
two.
two.
I'm a small two if they had.
Oh,
You just give them two.
Gideon.
Give.
Gideon left. It's even worse.
Only footballer in the family.
Okay, say hi to the sweet team. Skylar, say hi to the sweet team. Now. All right, sweet team, food is ready. We have our Dr. Dakwa here.
Hi.
We have Dr. Ajete.
In the sweet family.
Yes. We have some candied yams, some vegetables, mashed potatoes. We have all kinds of peppers over there that we're going to be enjoying. You know, we have some fake fried rice right
I'm taking
here.
a whole scoop though.
Yeah. All right, let's dig in, y'all. It's time to. Hey, sweet mama, ham too. She always have to count
Madam,
her
Madam
fingers. Yes,
Right?
sir.
I think she's giving 4. She's giving 4, not 2.
Yes, blow the sweet team kisses, family. Blow.
2 times 2.
Yes, equals 4. So we're giving 4s.
And this is the
Happy
love of
Thanksgiving, everybody. Say happy Thanksgiving. We are thankful for the sweet team.
Dr. D, the Terry D.
Yes.
Ke ona le no je le Terry D e Bible 2 times 2.
So happy Thanksgiving, everybody. We're about to dig in and start enjoying some delicious
All right, you guys.
Yes.
I'm coming in with I don't know
Shuone, Shuonantune,
Finine.
Finantune.
Okay, so is everybody trying?
Mr. T, not sure, right?
This thing is critical.
Huh?
Minegani and
Start
Charlie.
4.
Why Gideon?
Because those gangster teaspoons.
Yeah, that's good.
Should I take it for you?
Yes. I don't want it. I want the.
Okay.
I
You gotta have turkey. You know.
Okay. I want to have.
Oh, what?
So you have to bring it closer to the food.
Finish
You have to bring your plate closer to the food.
Yeah, my baby strong.
Okay.
Maybe like Coca-Cola shirt.
Like anyway.
Can you put it all over my plate?
Yeah, because I don't know.
Can you put some on my thing too?
Oh, I'm exceeding there.
Thank you.
These
It's
are nice.
enough. Dip and gravy.
I'm gonna prepare that finish and prepare curry.
Bashan chabu.
They use that shit.
Is that shit gone?
Yeah, that's more shito right there. So nobody have vegetables on their plate.
We have. I do.
You do? You have veg? Oh yeah, she have it in her
She's talking
right.
about the one in the rice.
But she's not gonna
You
eat
don't.
that.
No more machine.
Well, you barely taste the one in the rice.
You know, Sky doesn't move with vegetables. You see, as for me, I know I get my daily vegetables anytime I grab pepper.
Anytime you eat.
So, nobody can come at me talking about I don't eat vegetables. Obama, now you're free.
Everything on the table was good.
Really?
Really? Give me 5.
Ọ̀dọ́ sànà kàdà bàjá ní kẹsàn-án tá a fẹ́ ṣe. Àgbélé sí kílé náà jọ̀bọ̀ tó náà ṣàmùsàn. Mùsàn. Àgbélé sí kílé náà jọ̀bọ̀ tó náà ṣàmùsàn.
What about cat is someone that true?
Káàtè sọmọ ní sọmọ bí ẹ̀tútó. Káfé sọmọ ní àpá tó ṣìkà náà mọ̀nà. Káàtè sọmọ ní sọmọ bí ẹ̀tútó. Káfé sọmọ ní àpá tó ṣìkà náà mọ̀nà.